Everything was good. Playing rugby, driving wagons, really enjoyed it. Going out with my friends on a weekend, yeah, everything was fine. Brilliant, really. Picked up my load from Hull on the day of the accident. Was driving along. Remember coming back along the M62, and then don't remember a great deal after that, but remember going off the road down an embankment, and then that's it really. I don't remember much after that. When I got to the hospital, I was found that I had a complete T12 spinal break, which means I have no feeling below the waist. I was in hospital for 6 months. Took me to Pinderfields to start with, which is Wakefield. Then I was transferred to Leeds for an operation where I was in there, sort of in intensive care for a month. And then back to Pinderfields for my rehab, back into Pinderfields, and I was there for another 5 months after that. Yeah, after the accident I couldn't drive, couldn't do anything for myself, couldn't play rugby anymore. Totally changes your toilet situation, bladder situation, clothing. Yeah, everything changes. Getting anywhere you want to go, it's a lot harder. Yeah, everything changes basically. I can drive again now, but yeah, still get to go out with my friends and enjoy life, but things have changed. It makes it a lot harder to do everything. It's made everything a lot harder for them, I would say. They have to do a lot more for me. They help me on a morning, getting up, going to bed, toileting, showering, everything basically. Things have changed, obviously. Yeah, it's makes everything a lot harder. Places to go, people to meet. Even if you just want to go out with your friends somewhere, you've got to organise to do stuff differently. Everything has to be organised before you go. You can't just get up and go like you used to. So yeah, it's a lot more awkward than it used to be. I would, if I could do anything different now, it would be to wear my seatbelt every time, which I do in the car now, wherever I go, obviously. It's changed my life forever and made everything a lot harder, so yeah, I would definitely wear my seatbelt every time. Always put your seatbelt on. Don't ever not put it on. Always have it on.